Well, I was having a little trouble with my chainsaw. So, I decided to take it apart and fix it. Well, the only problem was the part that needed fixing was the part that was completely inside, in the middle of the whole saw. So when I finally got it apart, this is what it looked like. Well, now I couldn't make heads or tails of that. Besides that, it was too dirty. So I cleaned up the parts and spread them all into one order. So now here's what they look like. So I stood and looked at them for a while and said to myself, boy, I hope I can remember how to put this all back together. And replaced some of the old broken parts with some new parts. But when I started to put it back together, lo and behold, I couldn't remember which part went where. So I invited in my resident expert. Well, the expert took one look and said, well, of course, I'd be happy to help. And before you knew it, quicker than the cat could wink its eye, and you can see it's all in one piece. I think it's all in one piece. Let's have a look here and see, make sure there aren't any pieces left over. Uh-oh. One tiny piece left over. Well, and that's the piece that goes in the very middle. We'll have to take it all apart again to put that piece in. Well, it's not a very big piece. Maybe we'll just see if it works without. So now at last I have 3 chainsaws again, all just waiting for some ambitious person to come along and run them for me.